Okay, we're making 2 loops around the Norwegian star. Norwegian sun. Right now it's very gloomy, dark outside. It's start to rain probably. So go downtown. Nice. There we go. Ito si Manoy. Kami naglalakad dito sa Norwegian sun. This is our second trip pa namin, o second boat. Masisipag na Pinoy. Kung ang hanap mo ay ligaya sa buhay, pumunta tayo sa Lawiswis. Naman mapupunta. We are burning some calories. That's why we need to walk. Walking, jogging. At yung iba, mga naka-short pants. Historical way. Walking around the Norwegian sun. Mabilis din tayo niya, no? Wow, ang ganda, oh. Sa taas, wag, hindi natin kaya may naglabasan sila, oh. Kailangan magbanta ng kinain, eh. Oh, pataas mo, eh. Wait, dahan-dahan lang, yeah. Ha? Hop, 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 hop. let me sing a song to you. A song I'd like to sing. May mag-stretch muna kami. Mag-stretch tayo konti. Kaya mo sila. Okay, move. Okay, second. This is our second round. Tapos na. Uy! Wow. See a lot of people doing exercise because they want to burn their calories. About 5 days, 6 days travel Pacific Ocean, do nothing except eating, sleeping. So all you have to do is to do yourself an exercise. Do yourself a favor. That's what we're doing now, to burn some calories. Crew jacket.